I bet all of us, even you, yes, you, wants stability in life. Although all of us say we want stability, but do you know how to define what is the meaning of stability? Because the way we define stability in life is different for all of us. For some of you and I, stability can mean having lots of money. For others, it can also be a wonderful career. Still, when we talk about stability, we need to focus on emotional stability as well, apart from physical stability of having money, having a good job, and having a wonderful life in general. When you feel comfortable with your life, when you feel you are in your own skin, this is what stability means. And stability is achieved when you have a purpose, that you have worked out the right way for you to experience life, and it works for you every day. This means that you have a process of experiencing everyday life in a way that is consistent, and this is why it is called stability in your life. The question is, how satisfied are you with your life? Do you feel comfortable with your routines? Do you feel good about your work? Or are you getting the best out of your relationships at work and at home? All these areas contribute to how satisfied and how stable are you with your life. Stability means you are satisfied with what you have at that very moment. You might want more, or you can perceive your current situation to be good or okay in some ways, to be workable, and you may want to provide comfort and satisfaction in order to fulfill your future self. You can look at the main areas of your life, in the areas of work, in the areas of relationship, and in your current situation. If you are in a relationship that is hurting you, it can be work that is stressing you out, or relationship with yourself that is not productive. It can be abusing yourself with a substance, or you have a conflict around your life. All of these can give you an unstable condition. If you are constantly stressed or upset at work, you don't have stability. What you need to do, you need to make sure that you take a step back. Sometimes, if your work is stressful and is giving you physical and emotional stress, quitting could be the right choice. Unless you are under fire with stress and pressure, you can't achieve any kind of stability. Even when your job or the situation brings you tons of money, it is not good enough in the long run, because you are trading off your health to find fulfillment in a job that you may not like. And it is very hard to feel tranquility and stability that comes with it. However, take this point that being satisfied with what you have at this moment does not mean that you are never looking for more. Instead, you should empower yourself to seek out, to look for your goals in a more effective way. This means not only living for tomorrow, expecting better tomorrow to come, but also to be here and now, to be in the present moment, to enjoy the process of living at the moment. And if you don't live at the moment, if you are not in the moment now, what is the point? You only get one life, and each moment is not going to repeat itself. It is not coming back again. My live video will be recorded and it's going to be played, but the live is only at this moment in Facebook now. The future won't bring you more happiness unless when you learn how to find it at this moment. What you make of yourself today, at this moment, at this present time, will define what you have for tomorrow. Make sure your day-to-day is working for you and providing you with what you need to say you are living a good, stable life. Let's ask ourselves what will make us satisfied. What will bring us through stability? Think back. Has there been a moment or a point in your life where you feel stability and you just seek it at the same time now? Ask yourself this. What are your current goals to be aligned so that you can create stability from this point onwards? See you in the next video. I am Wong. I'm a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer.